Hi everyone, this is Eric Schoening with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City, and this briefing will talk about a winter storm moving through Utah Monday through Wednesday this week. Here's a brief overview of the major impacts we are expecting from this storm. Travel will be greatly impaired above 6,000 feet across the area, with significant accumulating snow on the roadways. This heavy snow, combined with strong winds, will lead to dangerous avalanche conditions in Utah's mountains. Finally, with much of the precipitation falling as rain in the valleys and lower mountain valleys, some localized ponding or flooding is possible in poorly drained locations. First, we'll talk about northern Utah and central Utah, as well as southwest Wyoming. This area will start seeing the next round of light snowfall Sunday night into Monday morning, which could cause some minor travel impacts in both valleys and the mountains. However, the storm really intensifies Monday night and Tuesday, with snow levels rising to the 5,000 to 6,000 foot range. Water values will be significant with this storm, both with the rain in the valleys and the heavy, denser snow in the mountains. Generally 1 to 3 feet of snow is expected in the northern and central mountains, with the highest amounts in areas favored by westerly flow. This heavy snow will cause significant travel impacts on mountain roadways, and it is worth noting that this will likely include snow on Burley's summit and along the Wasatch Back on Tuesday. This snowfall combined with strong winds will also lead to increased avalanche danger. As always, we urge you to check with the Utah Avalanche Center before your mountain recreation activities. In the lower valleys, much of this precipitation will fall as rain, which could cause some ponding of water or localized flooding in areas with poor drainage. Some light snow accumulation is possible on valley roadways early Monday morning, as well as late Tuesday into Wednesday, when the snow levels lower again. Keep an eye on forecasts for the latter part of this event, as the timing of snow returning to the valley floors is lower confidence at this point. In southern Utah, precipitation will remain north of the area through much of the day Monday, but the next part of the storm will push precipitation into this area Monday night and Tuesday. This will bring accumulating snow to the mountain roadways Tuesday into Tuesday night, particularly along the higher summits. If you're in the valleys, keep an eye on the forecasts for late Tuesday into the latter half of the week, as once again there is lower confidence in the timing when exactly these low snow levels will work into the area. Here's a summary of our forecast with some details on our forecast confidence. We're highly confident that we will see high water amounts across northern and central Utah late Monday into Tuesday, with heavy snowfall in the mountains. This caused significant travel impacts and avalanche concerns. We're starting to gain some confidence that the weather pattern will remain active straight through to Christmas Day, so keep an eye on future forecasts for the next in this series of storms. Finally, we will have lower confidence in the possibility of localized flooding concerns in the lower valleys. Snow will return to the valley floors sometime Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday, but models are still giving a lot of mixed signals on the timing of that colder air. Again, we expect active weather to continue into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, but we encourage you to keep an eye on future forecasts for the timing, location, and strength of those storms. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.